pa magtagaytay ngayong taglamig at naghahanap ka ng murang staycation, walking distance lang sa mall, restaurant, coffee spot na may masarap na coffee and pastry with great interior? This unit accommodation is located at Sirin East, Tagaytay City. Kaharap lang ng Ayala Mall Sirin and 2 to 3 minutes walking distance naman sa Cali Cafe. 7 to 10 minutes naman sa Sky Ranch, riding a jeepney. This one-bedroom unit is only for 2,500 per night, good for 4 packs na. May free drinking water and toiletries na rin kasama during stay. Super accessible ang place for commuters like us. Walking distance lang ang babaan ng bus if galing ka ng Maynila. For booking and additional details, please message my Facebook page, Pilipinang Gala.
Ay, oo.
Ano kaya ano ka ano? Pwede na?
Okay lang.
Gusto mo pa? May cheese na? May cheese. Legit yung cheese. Akala ko wrapper.